Hey, in this video, I'm gonna be making a classic, something I've been making for family meal at work forever, pretty much, Cochinita pibil. We're gonna put this into the oven at around 500 degrees Fahrenheit to get some nice color on this. You can also sear this on a wood fire on the grill. That would be actually much nicer. If you don't have one, go ahead and toss it in the oven, 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, usually for my cochinita, I'll go ahead and blend in some garlic, achiote, and all these other spices. But with this stuff right here, it's already a really nice blend, this Peruvian style blend. We're just gonna go as is with this. So just go ahead and rub it all over. I'm just gonna throw it on a rack. Roast it at about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, fresh out of the super hot oven, we should have achieved some really nice color here. Like I said, again, if you have a grill, a wood fire, that would be amazing. If you don't, use the oven, it works just great. And you get yourself a pot. I have this cast iron one, works just fine. And then I'm just gonna line it with some banana leaf. Put it on the bottom there. You might be saying, what the hell, Matt? I don't have banana leaf. Where the hell am I gonna find that? Well, you can just go ahead and use foil if you want, wrap it over the top. You don't have to do banana leaf. It has a nice flavor, and that's also the South American way. So I'm just trying to keep it kind of authentic here, and also it produces a nice flavor, so why not? That goes in. Go ahead and chop up an onion. Doesn't matter how, it's just gonna go into our braise. Then go ahead and chop up a lime, slice it up. That goes in as well. Then just go ahead and pour in some water or chicken stock if you have it. Okay, so the braise is ready to go into the oven. I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it with some more banana leaf and then top it off with the lid. All right, fresh out of the oven. It's been about 4 or 5 hours. And we should just look at that. As you can see, this bone just slides right out. That's when you know it's done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shred this meat, set that aside, let it hang out, and I'm gonna make some flour tortillas to go along with this. I have a really nice flour tortilla recipe made from scratch. Go ahead and keep watching. I'm gonna show you how to make it. In the bowl, for my flour tortillas, you'll be needing 340 grams of all-purpose flour, 2.5 cups, 65 grams of clarified butter. You can also use bacon fat, lard, maybe oil. I would prefer to stay within this range. Then about 175 grams of warm water. Generous pinch of salt. Mix it up. This is our tortilla dough. It should be nice and soft, just like this. Now we're just gonna let this rest for about 10 minutes so it's nice and workable. Okay, now here's how I like to do my tortillas. I'll just do a light dusting of flour. Then I'll just take the ball and then just smush it down a little bit into a little disc. Then roll it, then turn it, roll it, then turn it. I'll just keep doing that in a circular motion until I get a nice circle. If the dough is not rolling out, if it keeps retracting, that means that you just need to, you need to rest it a little longer. Nice looking flour tortilla. That's ready to go on the skillet. Okay, so now what I've got going here, I have all my tortillas being held in a towel here to stay warm. So what I've got going here is cast iron skillet. And then we just take some canola oil, just a touch, tiny bit, and then we're just gonna wipe it off. This is just so they don't stick, obviously. And you just take that flour tortilla you just rolled out, just lay it on there gently, spread it out evenly, give it a little pressy press, and there you go. Forget about it. Once you see those bubbles blowing up, and when they stop at a certain point, that's when you're ready to flip it over. Watch it expand and grow, something that you made. We're cooking, we're doing things. Cook it off, And you toss it into the towel or whatever it is you're holding it in. And there you have your flour tortillas. All right, here we have the Tomatillo Crema, which is just that tomatillo salsa I made in the last video, mixed with some sour cream on the bottom, Peruvian Cochinita pibil, and then topped with some fresh greens, all in a really super soft flour tortilla. Thank you so much for watching the video. Go ahead and like the video, it really helps me out. Comment, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next one.